Meet Meg the Red Hen. This is Meg the Red Hen. Let's start with the E words. H-E-N. Hen. E sound words. These are E sound words. Hen, ten, men, red, net, met, help, tent, yellow, meg, peg, bed. What is the sound of E? E says E. Her, e, no, hen, no, et, net, de, et, no, ten, m, et, met, m, et, no, men, r, et, red. So, like this you will teach. Meg. Meg is a red hen. Meg has 10 yellow chicks, but the chicks are lost. Where can they be? Meg the Red Hen ran to look for the chicks. She met Sam the fat cat, Pam the rat, and Spot the dog. Have you seen my 10 chicks? Sobs Meg. No, we have not, say Sam and Spot. But we will help you look for them. Meg the Red Hen, Sam the fat cat, Pam the rat, and Spot the dog ran. They met Pinky the pig and Bugsy the bug. Have you seen my 10 chicks? Sobs Meg. No, we have not, say Pinky and Bugsy, but we will help you look for them. They see a tent. Here is a tent. The chicks are in the tent. Please let us out, the chicks yell. 10 bad men put us in a net. They hid us in this tent. They sob. Pam the rat bites the net here and there. The 10 chicks run out. Meg hugs them. Meg has a party for Sam, Pam, Spot, Pinky, Bugsy and her 10 yellow chicks. I have good friends, Meg says with joy. Now everyone is happy. Sight words used in this story: I, to, in, us, is, be, no, my, we, the, you, will, she, out, her, are, put, friends, please, them, they, lost, here, this, with, there, where, say, look, seen, have, help, party, chicks, yellow, good. Let's see how clever you are. Read and then tick yes or no. So the instruction is being given in this book and you have to help your child complete this exercise and see whether he has understood or not. Meg is a chick. Yes or no? No, Meg is not a chick. Meg is a hen. So we have to put tick mark in the no column. The chicks are in a net. Yes. Pam the rat bit the cat. No. Pam the rat bit the net. So no. Meg met Sam, Pam and Spot. Yes. The chicks are red. No. The hen is red. Meg the red hen is red. The chicks are yellow. So no. Read and tick the right word. Then fill in the blanks. Meg has 10 chicks. Tick. 10 chicks. Please let us out. Let us out, the chicks yell. Meg is a red hen. The chicks are in a tent. This is red, this is tent. Pam the rat bit the net. More phonic words. It is the sound of is, a, d, is, d, ed. All these words end with ed. Bed, red, fed, bed, fed, led, ned, red, wed. Now you can explain to your children that these are rhyming words because all these words end with the same sound. Then here all these words have E, N, 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 M, M. These are separate. Ben, den, hen, men, pen, ten. These are rhyming words. Hem and them. These two are rhyming with each other, but they are not rhyming with this. Now here is egg, 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 egg. Beg, keg, leg, meg, peg. Similarly, here all these words. These are rhyming words. B at bet, g at get, j at jet, m at met, l at let. So these are rhyming words. These words rhyme with each other. Also these net, pet, wet. Here bell, fell. These two are rhyming with each other. Well, yell. So we can explain. आपण छुआ को जदि भी आपण को मदर टंग ओडिया रे हो जहाँ भी हो आपण एक्सप्लेन करि परिबे जे rhyming words which is same sound, right? So they are ending with the same sound. तो net, pet, wet ए कलर balloon रे ए तीनटा वर्ड अछि किंतु ए माने या संगे राइम करि परछन, मैच करि परछन. These two sets are rhyming with each other, but in this one balloon, this is a group of rhyming words and these are separate. Hem doesn't rhyme with men or pen or ten, and these words are rhyming, these words are rhyming with each other.